Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing subleasing in Thailand. So we're talking subleasing a property. Generally, we see this in terms of condos, although in theory it could be housing, that type of thing. Subleases are tricky. I think they're a lot trickier than foreign nationals actually give them credit for, because I think foreign nationals often think, well, it's just something I can do with that person that has the lease. Well, you need to see the master lease, and you need to also understand whether or not that person has a lease which is enforceable for the time period in which you want to sublease it. Because I have seen a lot of folks that end up getting burned thinking that they can sublease a place, and then it turns out the master lease has, for example, something akin to a non-assignment clause or a non-sublease clause, which basically says no, explicitly that person cannot sublease that piece of property. The other thing to think about is there are rules regarding the formalization of leases in Thailand and their enforceability. So what I'm talking about here is if you have a lease in Thailand, it's over a certain duration, then it may not be enforceable in Thailand if it hasn't been registered at the land office on the actual Shinote title deed. So again, that's going to be factually dependent, depending on the circumstances of the case. But all of this stuff is of a concern to someone who's looking to possibly sublease space from someone that's already maintaining a lease here in the Kingdom of Thailand.